go.
The parts of the sewing machine. Number 1, the stitch length, reverse stitch length dial. You hold it down and it makes the machine go backwards. Number 2 is the stitch length dial. It needs to be set between the 2 and the 3, so at 2.5. Number 3 is the spool pin. It opens and allows you to put the thread on and then closes. Number 4 is the pattern selector dial. We want to select the pattern that is the circle with a line down the middle. Next is the thread tension dial. This needs to always be set at auto. Then you have the thread the upper thread guide. Next we have the thread take-up lever. If your machine is missing that, you come to it and it's missing, you need to rotate the hand wheel on the side of the machine, rotate it towards the front. That means turn it towards the front until the thread take-up lever comes back up. Number 8 are the feed dogs. This is what grabs the fabric and pulls it towards the back. Number 9 is the pressure foot. This goes up and down with the pressure foot lifter, which I'll show you in a moment. This is the bobbin case, and the bobbin will sit in the bobbin case. Again, this is the hand wheel. On the side is the power switch, and on the back is the pressure foot lifter. When it goes up, the pressure foot goes up. When it is down, the pressure foot is down against the feed dogs and it engages, ready to sew. To thread the sewing machine, we're going to start with a spool of thread and a bobbin of thread, and we need a pair of scissors. Set the bobbin aside. We're going to start first with the spool of thread. You're going to turn the spool pin out, put the thread up through the center hole, turn it back, and allow the thread to rest on the stage or the platform. You're going to take your thread and you're going to bring it over to number 1, as it shows here on the top. It says number 1. This is your upper thread guide. You're going to grab the thread, hold it on either side, and pull it towards the front of the machine until it goes in that small hole. Then, as the picture shows and the arrow shows, the down arrow, you're going to go down with the thread to number 2. Number 2 shows you to make a U-turn up around the corner. Up around the corner to the thread take-up lever. You need to pull it forward so it goes in the circle. If that is not showing completely, you want to rotate the hand wheel towards the front of the machine all the way until it pops up. Grab your thread, pull it forward. It needs to click all the way forward till it is inside this circle. Next, you're going to go down, as the arrow shows you, on number 3 to number 4. Number 4 becomes a little bit difficult. You want to take it and you want to go behind this metal post. So again, it's in the front, go to the back, go behind. Next, you're going to take it and put it behind this post. It shows you here. You're going to go behind and pull it forward, so it is in front of the box, as it shows you in the picture. Next, it shows you you're going to go through the eye and you're going to go through the front towards the back of the machine. You may need to get some extra thread You're going to take your scissors, cut it at an angle, and just like with hand sewing, you're going to lick the end of the thread and go through the eye from the front to the back. Now to put the bobbin in. Make sure that the presser foot is in the up position by using the presser foot lever. Take the bobbin, hold it in your right hand, hold the bobbin thread in your left hand. Place the bobbin into the bobbin case. Now you're going to hold the bobbin in place with your finger, pull the thread so it goes into this groove right here. Hold the bobbin in place with your finger, pull the thread forward to the left and back. That is going to lock it in place. You want to check that it's locked in place by lifting up the bobbin gently. Yep, it is locked in. Next, you're going to take the thread coming out of the needle. You're going to hold it to the left side. You are going to rotate the hand wheel till the thread take-up lever goes down and comes up one time. So watch here. So I'm rotating towards the front of the machine. I'm still turning, still turning. Here it is. This has popped up. Now I'm going to look back down here at the throat plate, and I am going to pull the needle thread, the one that I'm holding in my hand, pull the thread that's coming out of the needle, and as I pull, it is pulling the bobbin thread up. There it pops. You can see the black bobbin thread, the white needle thread. You're going to reach in. You can use a pencil, your fingernail. You're going to pull the bobbin thread out to the left. Then you're going to take your fingers, you're going to close the bobbin case door, and you are ready to sew.